Hey grillers, Brad here from BB Grill Shack. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean a Weber Kettle grill. So you're cooking a nice meal and you wonder, how do I clean my Weber Kettle grill after I've cooked this meal? Well, let me show you. The first step is to close all of the vents and let your kettle grill sit until it's cold to the touch. Use a grill brush to scrape the grill grates. By using this little lever on a Weber kettle, you're able to knock loose the charcoal from the inside. Clear out the remaining charcoal and ash from the bottom of the Weber. This includes any charcoal left on the fire grate. Remove the ash pan and dump the ash into the trash. Make sure that none of the ash is on fire still, because your trash will catch on fire. It's not an ideal scenario. Twist one of the spring clips to remove the ash pan. Dump the ash from the pan and put it back on the Weber the same way you took it off. The kettle and the ash catcher will still have ash residue. We're looking mostly to remove any big piles or chunks of ash or charcoal. Now that your kettle grill is clean, replace both grates and the lid. Lastly, make sure you clean the outside of your grill. I like to use water and paper towels. Hopefully you guys learned something about taking care of your Weber Kettle grill. I had a lot of fun making this video for you. I make videos like this every week. Every Thursday I release a grill video, how-tos, recipes, modifications. And if you like this type of video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot. Thanks again, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.